Hi friends, myself is Jasveer Singh and today I am going to tell you something interesting to do in PowerPoint. So let us start. As we have met for the first time, so let us go to my room and we will talk over there. As it's my secret room, so secret door is here. Will you help me to open it? Let us push it anywhere. Oh no, current is running through the doors. Now what to do? There must be something to open it. Let us find. I think it will work. Let us try it. Oh wow, it has opened. So friends, this is my sweet room. Oh, it is too hot today. Let me start the fan for you. This switch is for TV, this is for light, and this is for fan. Do you want to watch the TV? Okay, let me put it on. Oh, this song is about coronavirus. Do you like this? Or want to see another channel? Oh, कोई ना भाई आप चेंज कर देने हैं. But watching TV will make our video very long and we will skip the next lesson in which I am going to tell you the secrets of my room. So let us put all the equipments off and close the door. Put off TV, put off light and put off fan. Here is the button to shut the door. Now it will automatically close after 5 seconds. So guys, how do you feel? Is my room really sweet or not? So friends, do you want to know the secrets of all the objects of my room? Today I will explain only door of my room. So let us start in a very easy way. First of all, open MS PowerPoint. You will see here the slide with this layout. What we need blank slide. So make it blank by clicking over the Home tab and then choose the blank layout from Layout button. Now we will click over the Insert tab and take a shape of rectangle from Shapes button and draw it on the slide. Take another shape of multiple documents and draw it on the previous shape. As well as we draw a shape, Format tab will appear and gets selected. Now we will fill the texture in both the shapes by clicking over the Shape Fill button. Now arrange these shapes in a group and make another copy of it. Now flip the shape of multiple documents horizontally from Rotate button. Now our door is ready. Now let us move to the next part. Select the right side door. Click on the Animations tab. Select More Motion Paths from Add Animation button. Now select the right motion path to open the door to the right side. After that, repeat the same process for the left side door. Now open the animation pane to view the timeline. Select Start with previous option for both the doors. Now press F5 key to start the slideshow. Now watch the mistakes and remove it. First of all, our presentation is missing the background. So let us place a background of room. Click over the Design tab and Format Background button. Select Picture or Texture Radio button and pick a picture of room from computer files or online. There is another mistake you may have seen. That is only half of door opens. So drag the animation arrows to open the door full. Now, again start the show. Door is opening. But how fine it would be if I could open it by clicking on some button. So let us do this. Draw any shape on the appropriate place. I am taking the shape of star. Now go to the animation pane and change the timing of one of the animation effects. It should be triggered on clicking the shape of star. So select it. Do the same for other door. And start the show again. Now, just one mistake is there. Select the shape of star and click on the Add Animation button and select Disappear Effect. Now change the timing of new effect that is applied on star. It should also be triggered on clicking the shape of star. Now start the slideshow again. It's working very well. Now it's my humble request. Please like and share my video. Bye bye.